Late at night. It's in the morning.
Yo, you say release it. Let's come to that little blue here, yeah?
That look like you go in the wrong place.
Sorry about it. You're going,
Yeah.
Sorry about the watch, yeah.
You like see yourself in that video.
On to your youths.
Can't spin it, man.
Yo.
Nah, I want to do that, man. I don't put gas in my bike. People, so they are at the purchase. See that? About the right, there's a 250cc Rebel Special. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Remember, guys, $1,500 for a raffle ticket to get this bike. You also get a chance to win the 150cc champion and also a $10,000 gift certificate. I'm going to record, but I'm not record your face tonight here.
What the hell?
No, I'm not put it so up, then have it down.
Where's the you have it inside?
People, first start up. Bombat!
Damn!
Ow!
I post Raffle listener.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One click on him up and started. See that? My fire, man.
You know, take out this thing here.
No, you what? Not take off no sticker, not take off no plastic, nothing.
No, man, you have to take out this bread.
Everything go by there, so you know. Nah, for worry, man.
You have to test it first before you engage it.
Yeah. First rev, this one fix. Woo! Yes, sir. You not ride this before me. Me a carry car me yard. After that, you know ride one brand new Rebel 250 already.
Where?
Yeah, me never ride a Rebel 250 yet, yo.
Joking, man.
Back brake everything.
Them. See them there? Them. Brand new Rebel in our place. Yeah.
Yo, fix a bike.
Clear the road.
You need a record.
Yeah, boy, stop.
Then I want to straighten up. See the front brake nah. See the three pad them new. But I wear the bike to
Oh,
the
it's a jump off when you have.
so you not jump off a while ago.
Alright, cool. You know what I say?
Everything has stay on the bike, brother. people, so when you buy a bike, you get a mirror.
Brother, a new bike, how is it different from the old
New bike, them feel good, brother. That they not working, and we get a helmet as well. Yeah, so this is a good cheap helmet still. You see me? Yeah. Mirror. USB charger too. Fully digital. Yes sir. You say like that still. Oh. See, I second me never know for work then like that, you know. Bad way bad. Yes sir. I beam.
See it down.
See that? Chain bombard coolie. This a chain about to drop off. Come touch the chain. It nah drop off, but damn. So when you buy a new bike, you have to inspect everything. The chain well want tighten up. Pillion stand. This bike is staying just how it is. Let me mirror them, drop them off.
Yeah man, here we go on. You see the Rebel here? We are Raffle it, 1500 a ticket, you see me? We just buy up no ticket them here, Paradise Bike and straight. Just link up, we are going to go to the number soon. You get on the ticket here. Two of them we have a Raffle right
now. Alright folks, so I go screw up the mirror here before we leave. Cause you know the thing set. Bossy mirror them too. Take a look at time, screw this in. Yo, big up Rebel T special. Don't know anything where you want for your bike, you come right here. So I put on the mirror for use them. No enough man now put on mirror for use them, you know. Then it doesn't look cool, but it has a purpose. Yeah people, so oh Sunland, bye bye. Yeah, so we're about to move out here now. Yeah? Me nah race, man. Nah race. You want go so? You want go so? So? Yes, sir. Oh, you know. Bombard! Woo! Yes, sir. I'm gonna break this thing, man. Yes, sir. Brand new Rebel 250. Second gear that, you know. Woo! Yeah, come. over, come back over. Hold on, our front wheel are down, so. Go down. Boom beep. The front wheel are what we are freak. Boom boom. Lord God, you know, hear me tap him. The bike here is effortless power, brother, and he catch him, but the front wheel are wobble too much, so yeah, watch the speed. Front wheel are wobble, dog. What that cool, shit. Alright, now go catch him up back now. Woo! Fourth gear that to that, brother.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh my God, the power. Oh shit, man. The power in this bike is something else, man. Yo, from no system in not really attack much. But you know see how some mad thing are going on here, brother. Hey. Oh shit! Cool it down, please, Paradise. Cool it down. Come cool it. Cool it down. Cool it down. Ah, behind. Indicator. Idiot, now lock off the indicator. I'm gonna tighten down the mirror them, you know. What? One tighten down the mirror, yeah. Bomba cool, yeah, what that? Alright, go on cool, me I come for you now. Bomba! Stand up, brush! Cool, you're dead, you know, you're dead, no cool. Cool, you're dead, no cool, you're dead. That's cool, you're dead. Third gear, kill you already, cool. Oh, but wait, the bike can run your friend. The hand sound skirmish, your friend. Lock down the face shield. Coolly, I do not overtake on this corner, sir. No, and the mirror drop off, you know, brother. Mirror move, your friend. Oh God, you just go around the car so smooth. Coolly, you're dead, no Coolly. Dead, no Coolly. Coolly, me kill you, no Coolly. This is how you ride a bike when it's new. You break it in. You give it the beans. You give it the beans. Yes, sir. Woo! The front end light your fret. The front end light your fret. No man, me afraid it rotted. Gas station. First fuel up. Cool, eh? The bike, the front, me afraid I front end, you fret. You see, I want it. A full tire this man, you have to burn it quick. Give me $1,000 where you want? You know want gas? Boy, yeah, buy gas a golden. Yes. Me a raffle it, you know, my boss. Me a raffle it. Yeah man, 15 bills for your ticket. Brother, the front end just a go so. This one, yeah? That's why I'm afraid for car. Me a car, it a car na your foot. Foot. $1,000? Brown dog. Me a, you know that. Let me show you. Alright, me a send a poster.
Yeah man, 303.
303. A Paradise me name, you see me, me a link you up.
Yeah man.
Straight. No, me have to ride it all the way. All the way. Hey, the bike feels so nice. What is going on with this mirror? Dude, my buy $1,000 gas and the gas not going nowhere. Shit! That's how you break in a bike. When you buy a new bike, you want to break it in. So you cycle through. Although I'm not going to 6 gear. I'm going to try 6 gear though. Cycle through the gears. Cycle through them, go up, cycle through them, go down. That way, the piston gets seated in the cylinder well nice. Rings and everything get seated nicely. Well it cool, eh? Yes sir. But I'm telling you, this bike, it's running but red line too quick. I like the power weight have. It have usable power, you see me? Very nice power. But the front end is way too light. Woo! And these tires, they throw you in the corner, man. Oh my god, it has that new bike smell. It smells so good. Oh my god, This bike feels so good. It just need a what you call it, the muffler. It just need a muffler on it, and man, oh my god, it's gonna be so nice. Put this on low beam. I try to rev it up. $1,000 gas. Oh, can't go far, man. Dude, I know I'm gonna reach 6 gear. Got you. Oh my god. Neutral, gone in a neutral, easy. Oh my god, look at it. Rebel 250.